Hello, my name is Thierry Froment. I'm the CEO of Veolia Water Technology for the Middle East. And we recruited Explorer event to help us with our health and safety week event, which is a full-day joint event, bonding the team, and where we are insisting on the requirements for health and safety in the company. And this year we insisted particularly on the well-being side of our employees. And we had this very nice event with team building and also a presentation on the subconscious and unconscious part of the brains, and that were around the theme we had selected for this Health and Safety Week, which was safe reflexes. So the event went really well. The team was really nice. The people in the team, in our team, were very appreciative, and all participated very actively to the various workshops. So I'm very happy to have that this event went so well, and happy to do it again in the near future.